As the foundation for stable coinage of entire nations, XRP is generating headlines in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. That's not a simple task. And while this is making waves in the crypto community, there is a catch. Everyone's favorite tech millionaire and provocateur, Elon Musk, appears to be involved in some fascinating mischief. This is the mouth-watering part. Hey there, monetary kin, we're back to introduce the wonderful world of XRP. You won't want to miss any of the exclusive XRP knowledge we're about to share with you, so please subscribe and turn on notifications. If you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up. Don't be reticent to let us know how you really feel about it in the space provided below. Let's keep the dialogue going. The clarification for payments stablecoin is a recent upgrade that has the financial world talking. The Finance CMT unanimously approved bill with a vote of 3,419. Patrick McKinney deserves credit for leading this charge and getting the support of 5 fellow Democrats. The bill paves the way for increased regulation and knowledge of stable coin payments in the United States. Let's talk Musk again. A Forbes report claims that he is quietly setting up Bitcoin for a possible storm. First, the XRP community's eyebrows were raised by a logo alteration to X, which sparked suspicion, but the twist doesn't end there. His recent unexplained maneuvers could mean volatility for big players like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and of course Dogecoin. With an audience of 150 million, the Dogecoin logo was strategically positioned next to the X in his bio. Even a subtle indication from Musk through tweet or a bio modification might send the price of Dogecoin tumbling in unforeseen directions. While the Doge community as a whole is quite excited, rumors about XRP's possible inclusion are still widespread. The legal battle between XRP and the SEC is ongoing. The top legal officer of Ripple Labs thinks that if the SEC files an appeal, it might boost the company's already strong position against the agency. Stewart is sure because he thinks the first judgment was correct and followed the law to the letter. Many in the cryptocurrency industry share the desire for a clear and all-encompassing regulatory framework in the United States, and they are encouraged by the prospect of an appeal to the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. There is an overwhelming feeling of urgency because of the widespread belief that the SEC's current strategy is putting the United States at a disadvantage in the global crypto race. Due to the adverse regulatory climate, your fears are unfounded. With the SEC's recent decision to file a lawsuit against QuantStamp, crypto businesses may look somewhere for a more favorable regulatory environment. At the core of these debates has been SEC Chairman Gary Gensler, with many people believing a leadership change is necessary to realign the United States' approach to cryptocurrency legislation. Speculation persists that users of Ripple's partner platform Volatility may soon be able to use XRP on the platform, adding to the already hectic news cycle. Volatility subscribers have access to XRP thanks to its interface with Ripple, leading to suspicion that Fed may now benefit from Ripple's XRP. VoltPay, which incorporates Ripple extensively as part of its cross-border payment network, adds gasoline to the fire. A key point to keep in mind is that even though these connections and partnerships are promising, they do not automatically translate to an upward trajectory for the XRP price, despite Volatility being an early supporter of Fed now. It is essential to distinguish between speculation and actual market movements. The latest developments concerning Ripple's connection to the Palau stablecoin have set the cryptocurrency community abuzz. There may be future cross-border settlements between Palau and the US, as was hinted at before on this channel, given the country has just completed its first internal currency CBC transaction on the XRPL. Because of its massive scope, this project deserves special attention. The director of the National Treasury of Palau, along with Ripple, recently celebrated the minting of Palau's first stable currency. While only in the test phase at the moment, the implementation of a stablecoin employing Ripple's technology has the potential to significantly improve the efficiency and security of financial transactions in Palau. If a country can successfully adopt such technology for domestic transactions, then there's nothing stopping other countries from doing the same. This has far-reaching implications, since a ripple effect, pun intended, across the globe may greatly increase the value and utility of Ripple and Xrp. Another exciting change is on the horizon as well. Since December 21st, a Twitter account associated with the company's president appears to offer a novel service, obtaining a Nash-Smell ID for Palau, but not citizenship. One possible use of such an ID is to avoid Know Your Customer (KYC) requirements at cryptocurrency exchanges. Despite the fact that all of this news probably sounds positive, the price of Xrp has been moving pretty slowly. Despite the clear upward tendency given the current position of the market, investors must be patient, as the market has been in a consolidated Tory phase for some time. Patience in bear markets has been shown to pay off handsomely in retrospect. And it's worth mentioning that many in the broader crypto news were rewarded handsomely for their patience during the last down market. Reportedly, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. bought 2 Bitcoins for each of his 7 kids. This demonstrates the increasing trust in and acceptance of cryptocurrency among the general public. WorldCoin is apparently encountering obstacles and convincing users to scan their irises in return for Bitcoin, making it one of many fascinating innovations in the cryptocurrency field. While this may appear revolutionary at first, it actually raises some interesting questions about people's willingness to sacrifice their privacy in exchange for cryptocurrencies. In more general crypto-related media, a rise in interest rates by the Federal Reserve from 5.2% to 5.5% has little effect on Bitcoin's value. The market had anticipated a hike of 25 basis points, making this the largest increase in 22 years. Furthermore, cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies continue to see widespread interest and adoption around the world. One recent development is the move by the Nigerian central bank to alter its CBDC model in an effort to increase transaction volume and wallet activity. Financial authorities in Canada are recommending changes to capital and liquidity standards pertaining to cryptocurrencies. We see advanced steps from Italy, South Korea, and Singapore, and we also see Hong Kong and Saudi Arabia working together on tokens and payment mechanisms. Even while there is reason for hope given these global events, the markets appear to be a sea of red at first glance. Many cryptocurrencies, such as XTEC XLM, Solana, and Xrp, have shown remarkable growth over the previous month. Instead of letting yourself be misled by short-term swings, it's important to keep the big picture in mind. For investors like myself, the current downward trend in Bitcoin's price presents an opportunity. Having the option to dollar cost average into more Bitcoin at current levels is something I eagerly anticipate. As Bitcoin's value declines, there has been a rise in the number of people selling their holdings of the cryptocurrency, according to data showing the present trend is mostly one of consolidation. Meanwhile, the DXAX dollar index is seeing an upward trend, and it would be preferable if it encountered resistance around the 103 level. The S&P 500 may be displaying the first signs of a red week after experiencing a prolonged bullish phase. As judged by the Fear and Greed Index, the cryptocurrency market's present sentiment is neutral, showing investors collective patience. It is important to stay knowledgeable and patient while the cryptocurrency industry experiences short-term ebbs and flows, but the overall narrative remains favorable. As a result, I'm looking forward to hearing your thoughts on this update, and I'll see you at the next briefing. Remember that we are not a professional financial advisory service. The content of this channel is presented solely for amusement. Leave your thoughts in the comments area, and let's talk about it. We appreciate your attention. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe button. See you later. Bye.